Okay, this is a tutorial of the RV, a little bit of it. Shower with a bathtub. Here is a little welcome thing, I guess. Lotion, body wash, conditioner, body soap, toothbrushes if you forget them with toothpaste loaded. First aid kit, hydrogen peroxide, towels, washcloths, hand towels, space, empty space for your stuff, empty space, toilet paper, RV toilet paper to be specific, and a little waste can. And this is for you to put your soiled linens in when you're done using the RV, and then I will wash them. That is the bathroom. Here's a little kitchen area. So it comes with also a sponge and some soap. Paper towels, seasoning is on the left. And there's some knives there as well. Plates, bowls, cups. There's paper plates, regular plates, bowls, cups. And up there, I'll probably have them somewhere else, but there's some towels. Here on the bottom left, that's going to be where your pots and pans are with lids. There's also a dish drainer there. Some space on the bottom for you guys to put more things as well. On the right hand side, that's where you're going to have your cleaning supplies, garbage bags. There's a mosquito thing there. There's also a fire extinguisher in there, and then there's also a fire extinguisher down there on the left. That is an open cutting board to open up, and it closes as well. Silverware is in the top drawer there. I guess it's middle, and that's also where the coffee pods and ground thingies are for the coffee maker. And there is cooking utensils. This is under the couch, or under the table. Under the table, there's games in there. And then here we got, this is where the toaster oven and the coffee maker is, as well as empty storage for you guys, and also some paper towels. And then there's a cutting board, a couple cutting boards there, aluminum foil, parchment paper. And then in there, right now there's just manuals in there, but you guys can store stuff in there as well. This is by the front door. There's chairs in there. There's right now sleeping bags. I might put the sleeping bags under the other side of the table. And there's also a table that you can put outside as well. That right now is the underside of the bunk. I'll go over those in another video. This is a drawer with kind of like knick-knack stuff in it. There's s'more stuff in there, s'more making stuff in there. There's barbecue stuff, puppy, pickup bags if you brought an animal. There's a couple flashlights in there. We're making a kit, kind of like if like the hose leaks or something, like the little, oh my gosh, I can't even think right now. Stuff like little fix-it things, almost like a sewing kit for RVs. That's the best way I can put it.